Every single thing you do, from sprinting down the track to simply blinking your eyes, requires energy. Where does all that energy come from? Meet the mitochondria, famously known as the powerhouses of the cell. Think of a mitochondrion like a rechargeable battery pack. Its main job is to take the food you eat and convert it into a usable form of chemical energy called ATP that the cell can spend whenever it needs to do work.
It features both an outer membrane and a highly folded inner membrane called a double membrane, acting like a building with an extra security perimeter.
The inner membrane is folded into deep curves called cristae. These folds create a massive surface area, giving the cell more room to pack in chemical reactions.
The fluid-filled space in the very center, called the matrix, is where crucial breakdown steps happen.
Mitochondria don't create energy out of thin air. They run on a chemical recipe called cellular respiration, combining what you eat with what you breathe.
Cellular respiration uses glucose, sugar from food, and the oxygen we breathe in to create carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. ATP is the energy we need to do just about anything.
Without oxygen, mitochondria can't run efficiently. That is why you breathe heavily when you exercise. Your cells are shouting for more oxygen to keep those power plants firing.
Fun fact, not all cells have the same number of mitochondria. Different cells have different number of mitochondria, and depends entirely on how much energy that cell needs to do its job.
Muscle cells and heart cells are packed with thousands of mitochondria because they are constantly working and need massive amounts of energy.
Whereas bone cells have far fewer because they are mostly structural and don't burn through energy quickly. And that's basically it.
If this helped make biology a little less painful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more science breakdowns.